The deadliest animal on Earth isn't a lion or shark. It's tiny and often ignored. This creature kills nearly 1 million people every year by spreading deadly diseases. You might have one buzzing near you right now. Think you know what it is? Let's uncover nature's most unexpected killer. Chapter 1. The deadliest animal on Earth. When you think of the deadliest animal on Earth, what comes to mind? Lions? Sharks? Venomous snakes? Well, here's a twist for you. The deadliest animal isn't a giant predator with sharp teeth or venomous fangs. It's a tiny insect, barely the size of a fingernail, the mosquito. Yes, that annoying little buzzing pest that ruins your summer nights. Even with its small size, mosquitoes are responsible for nearly 1 million human deaths every year. To put that in perspective, sharks kill about 10 people annually worldwide, and snakes cause roughly 100,000 deaths. Mosquitoes? They kill almost 1 million. How can such a tiny creature be so deadly? The secret lies not in their bite itself, but in the diseases they carry and spread. Mosquitoes are nature's most efficient and deadly assassins. Chapter 2. Why mosquitoes are so dangerous. What makes mosquitoes so dangerous? It is not their bite itself, but what they deliver when they bite. When a mosquito lands on your skin and pierces it, it injects saliva that stops your blood from clotting. This helps the mosquito feed more easily. But saliva is more than just a feeding aid. It can carry parasites and viruses, invisible killers that sneak into your bloodstream. Imagine a tiny vampire armed with a microscopic syringe, injecting deadly diseases every time it bites. Unlike predators that kill with teeth or claws, mosquitoes kill by spreading diseases like malaria, dengue, Zika, and yellow fever. These diseases have shaped human history and continue to threaten millions of people worldwide. Chapter 3. The deadliest diseases mosquitoes carry. Now, let's talk about the diseases mosquitoes carry. Malaria is the biggest killer among them, causing about 600,000 deaths every year. Most of these deaths are children under 5 years old in sub-Saharan Africa. But malaria is only the beginning. Dengue fever infects between 100 and 400 million people annually across the globe. It causes high fevers, severe pain, and sometimes fatal bleeding. Then there is the Zika virus, which made headlines for causing birth defects when pregnant women became infected. Yellow fever is another deadly disease spread by mosquitoes. It has a high fatality rate during outbreaks. West Nile virus, which can cause brain inflammation and neurological damage, is also part of the deadly list. When you combine all these diseases, mosquitoes easily become the deadliest animals on Earth. Tiny bugs with a massive impact. Chapter 4. How mosquitoes transmit disease. How do mosquitoes spread these diseases so efficiently? It all begins when a mosquito bites an infected person or animal, sucking up parasites or viruses along with the blood. Inside the mosquito's body, these pathogens multiply and develop until the insect is ready to infect the next victim. When the mosquito bites again, it injects this dangerous cargo into a new host's bloodstream. This cycle repeats endlessly, making mosquitoes incredibly efficient carriers of disease. They breed rapidly and live everywhere, from dense jungles to bustling cities, and can survive harsh conditions that would kill many other insects. This adaptability allows them to thrive in almost any environment. Because of this, mosquitoes are nature's perfect disease couriers, silently spreading illness worldwide. Their ability to transfer deadly pathogens with each bite is why they remain one of the deadliest animals on the planet. Chapter 5. Mosquito species that kill the most. Not all mosquitoes are created equally. Meet the real villains. The Anopheles mosquito, the mastermind behind malaria, the deadliest disease they carry. These guys love stagnant water like puddles and rice fields and usually bite at night, making them silent killers in many parts of Africa. Malaria alone causes hundreds of thousands of deaths every year, mostly in kids under 5. Then there's the urban troublemaker, Aedes aegypti. This mosquito thrives in cities, breeding in flower pots, old tires, and even your backyard water tanks. It bites during the day and has a serious taste for human blood. Why care? Because it spreads dengue, Zika, and yellow fever, all dangerous viruses that can cause outbreaks worldwide. And don't forget Culex mosquitoes, spreading West Nile virus and lymphatic filariasis. They prefer polluted water and bite at night, adding another layer to the mosquito menace. Each species plays a unique role in this deadly family, making mosquito control a complex global challenge. Chapter 6. Global Impact and Hotspots. Mosquito-borne diseases aren't just a problem in remote jungles and tropical rainforests, they affect millions worldwide. Tropical and subtropical regions are hotspots because warm, humid climates are perfect for mosquito breeding. Sub-Saharan Africa suffers the highest malaria death toll. Southeast Asia and Latin America regularly battle dengue outbreaks. Mosquitoes threaten over half the world's population at any given time, making them a global health crisis. The impact isn't just health-related. These diseases also cause economic losses, strain healthcare systems, and disrupt tourism. Think about living in constant fear of a tiny insect ruining your life and community. Chapter 7. Challenges in fighting mosquitoes. Eradicating mosquitoes is easier said than done. These insects have evolved resistance to many insecticides, making chemical control less effective. Climate change is expanding their range, allowing mosquitoes to invade new areas previously too cold for them. Urbanization creates perfect breeding grounds. Think gutters, flower pots, discarded tires, and bottle caps. Plus, mosquitoes can breed indoors or outdoors, making control efforts complicated. Even with billions spent on mosquito control and vaccine development, these tiny killers remain a formidable foe. Scientists are racing against time, exploring new strategies like genetically modified mosquitoes to reduce populations, but the battle is far from over. Chapter 8. How you can protect yourself. So, what can you do to avoid becoming a mosquito's next victim? Start by eliminating standing water around your home. Mosquitoes only need tiny pools to breed. Empty flower pots, clean gutters, cover water tanks, and dispose of old tires. Use insect repellents containing DEET or picaridin, and wear long sleeves and pants, especially at dawn and dusk when mosquitoes are most active. Sleeping under mosquito nets has saved millions of lives, especially in malaria-prone areas. Supporting global health initiatives and vaccination programs also helps reduce the disease burden. Simple steps can make a big difference in this ongoing battle against nature's deadliest animal. So next time you hear that tiny buzz, remember mosquitoes aren't just annoying pests. They're some of the deadliest animals on Earth, silently shaping our world in ways we barely see. But knowledge is power. By understanding these tiny killers, we can fight back smarter and protect ourselves better. Enjoy discovering surprising facts and exploring the wonders of our world. Comment on your thoughts and subscribe for more amazing wild animal facts.